Jonathan, come on out. I think the registration's also expired. How's it going, partner? With the Highway Patrol. Come on back to the back of the truck. I'll show you what the reason for the stop was, okay? You a mover or is it? Okay, okay. Where y'all coming from?
I'm going to Del Rio to pick up and then going back to La Pryor to pick up and then shooting out to Austin.
What are you picking up?
Freight.
Freights?
Pallets.
Pallets. Okay. Going to Del Rio to pick it up. So you're empty right now?
Yeah, I'm empty. Okay,
all right. So you don't have, you know, this is a big drug traffic corridor, human smuggling and all that. You don't have none of that stuff in there, do you?
Yeah, I've never been down here.
Oh, first time?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's why I don't know if you see all the Border Patrol and all the Highway Patrol all up and down the road. You don't have none of that stuff in here, do you?
No.
All right. Would you consent to just opening it up and showing us what's back there?
Sure.
I appreciate you. Let's do that right quick. We'll knock that out and I'll get you identified. Make sure you're carrying your license with you in the future, okay? Oh man, no good. All right, go ahead and place your hands behind your back for me.
Hey, no se mueva.
Interview at any time. You understand your rights?
Yes, sir.
All right, outstanding. All right, we'll give you that water really fast.
You give us your email?
Yeah.
We got them. The real. Just get it if you want.